Hello, adventurous entrepreneurs. Today, we're tackling a topic that's crucial for businesses: payment processing strategies for challenging industries. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Now, let's get started. Understanding high-risk payment processing. Payment processing for high-risk industries involves businesses that face higher probabilities of chargebacks, fraud, and regulatory scrutiny. These industries encompass a wide range of sectors, such as adult entertainment, online gaming, travel services, nutraceuticals, and more. Given the increased potential for financial risk, many payment processors are hesitant to onboard these businesses. However, with the right approach, high-risk merchants can still find viable solutions. Embracing the right payment processing partners. Finding the right partner is the cornerstone of effective payment processing, particularly for high-risk industries. Merchant accounts tailored to high-risk businesses can provide the foundation for secure and efficient transactions. Look for established merchant processing providers with a track record of helping businesses in high-risk niches. Exploring high-risk merchant accounts and gateways. For businesses operating in high-risk industries, obtaining a high-risk merchant account is crucial. These specialized accounts are designed to cater to the unique needs and risks associated with challenging sectors. They often come with slightly higher fees and stricter underwriting processes, but they offer the advantage of tailored solutions. Coupled with a high-risk payment gateway, these accounts enable businesses to securely process transactions while minimizing the risks associated with fraud and chargebacks. E-commerce payment processing solutions. In today's digital age, e-commerce businesses are on the rise, even within high-risk industries. Establishing an e-commerce payment processing system is essential for these businesses to thrive. Despite being high-risk, businesses in sectors like adult content or online gaming can still tap into the vast potential of e-commerce with the right payment processing strategy. Unpacking credit repair merchant processing. The credit repair industry, though valuable, often falls under the high-risk umbrella due to its association with potential legal and ethical complexities. Businesses in this sector must navigate the intricacies of credit repair merchant processing. An effective credit repair payment gateway is a critical tool for secure transactions in this field. Navigating CBD payment processing. The CBD industry is another example of a high-risk sector that is experiencing rapid growth. CBD merchant accounts and specialized CBD payment processing solutions are essential for businesses seeking to accept credit cards for CBD products. A reliable CBD payment gateway ensures smooth transactions for both businesses and consumers. Seamless online payment gateways. In an era where online transactions dominate, having a robust online payment gateway is indispensable for businesses across all sectors, including high-risk industries. It serves as the virtual bridge connecting businesses with their customers. And there you have it. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. For all your payment needs, be sure to check out TouchSuite, your go-to payments provider. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time.